Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add Favicon on the Shopify Plus account. So what do you need? You need a Shopify Plus plan or Shopify checkout and customer account extensibility developer preview enabled. You need a GraphQL REST API app installed on your store, and you need to give these permission as well. And these are the steps we are going to follow. First step is upload the Favicon on your server. So I have uploaded the Favicon on the server, and the next thing I am going to do, I need to install the GraphQL app in my Shopify store. So all I have to do, check out branding, setting read and write, and then I need content read and write, file read and write. Okay, and then I will copy the URL of my store, copy that and paste it over here and install the app. Install that, and once you are done, you will see a GraphQL API app over here. Okay, so the first thing, we need to copy this GraphQL command, and we are going to paste that over here. And next thing, a query variable, copy that and paste that over here. So all text, let's say Favicon, and the file name is Favicon .png, and the URL of your Favicon. Copy that and replace the Favicon over here. Run the query, and if the query is successful, it will give you the media ID. You need to copy this media ID, copy that and save that somewhere. So I'm going to save over here, and the next thing I'm going to do, retrieve the checkout profile ID. So I will copy that and grab the checkout profile IDs. So let me add a new query over here, and if I run this query, this is my default profile, checkout profile. I grab the ID of this because we are going to add a Favicon in this profile. So I'll copy that and I'll paste over here. Okay, and next, set the Favicon image. We need to copy this command, this query, and then we are going to add another query over here. So in this query, we need a variable, copy this and paste that over here. So we are going to replace the checkout profile ID and the media ID. So I will copy the media ID and paste that over here. And the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the profile ID and paste that over here, and this should come over here. So we have the checkout profile ID, and we have the community ID. So let's run that. And the favicon is updated, and if you reload the checkout page, you will notice we have the fav icon image over here. So this is how you can change the favicon image on the Shopify Plus account. Thank you.